Hello learners, welcome to Expo More Learn. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have brought a very interesting and informative topic for you all. And the topic is this versus it. It seems to be a very simple topic, but I am telling you that many English learners make mistakes while using this and it. Is there any difference? Or they are the same? Can we use them whenever we want to use them? Can we interchange this and it? What are the differences? How to use them? You will come to know each and everything about this and it in this video today. So let's start without wasting our time. Just a small request. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed it yet, then please subscribe and press the notification bell icon so that you will get notification for all the next videos. So let's start. I am asking you a few questions before starting this topic. This is a cup. Should I say this or it is a cup? So which one is more appropriate? And if I say this is a cup, is it wrong or right? Another example, if I say this car is red, can I say it? Grammatically, is it right or wrong? Or should I say it is a red car? So what is the difference? Should I use it or this? Or if I use any one of them, is it considered grammatically correct? So you will come to know about these doubts or about the answers of the questions which I am asking you in this video. Okay. So this, first of all, you must know that what is this. So this is a demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Demonstrative, which shows something, which points out something, used to point to something near the speaker. So it is a singular, we can say, demonstrative pronoun, which we use to point to something near the speaker. So something which is near. And you might have read about it that when something is far away, we use that. Okay. But when something is near, we use this. So this is a very simple rule. So first of all, we will take the examples for demonstrative pronoun. Like this is used as demonstrative pronoun to point something near. Okay. For example, suppose one cup is kept nearby. So you will say this is a cup. Okay. Something else is kept nearby. This is a pen, this is a book, whatever is kept near and it is singular, then definitely we will use this. For plural, you will use these. And something which is far away, you will say that. Now, this is also used to introduce something. When you are going to introduce something, you will use this. So, you can introduce a new person, you can introduce a new information, or you can introduce a new topic. So, in that case, you will use this. For example, this is my cousin Rahul. So, you are introducing a new person to someone. Okay. So, this is my cousin Rahul. So, you will say this in this case. Another example, this was my favorite restaurant when I lived here. So, here again, you are introducing something new for someone else and that's why you are using this here. So, you are introducing something new. In that case, you will use this. Now, this is also used as demonstrative adjective. So, demonstrative pronoun as well as demonstrative adjective. What is the difference? You will come to know here. So, the word this acts as a demonstrative adjective when it is placed immediately before a singular noun or noun phrase to modify it and indicate that the item is near the speaker. So, it is acting as an adjective. In that case, it is used as demonstrative adjective. Adjective which modifies or qualifies a noun. Okay. So, remember that it is always used before the noun. So, in that case, it becomes adjective, demonstrative adjective. For example, I like this car. Why is it adjective here? Why is it not demonstrative pronoun? As you know that pronouns are used in place of noun, but adjectives are used before the noun. Here, this is used as demonstrative adjective as it is used just before a noun and it is modifying the noun before which it is used. Okay. So, here you can see car is a noun and this is used just before it. So, it is modifying this noun. So, it is used as demonstrative adjective. Remember that an adjective can be replaced by another adjective only. So here, how will you identify that this is used as demonstrative adjective? If you replace it with another adjective, then it will be clear that it is used as adjective, not as a pronoun. So you can replace it like I like this car. You can replace it with another adjective. So I like red car. You can say I like big car. I like small car, like that. Okay. So you are replacing this, which is used as demonstrative adjective, with any other adjective. So it is clear that this is used as demonstrative adjective. Okay. Let's see another example. I love to wear this dress. So again we are using this before a noun, so it is used as demonstrative adjective. Another example, this house is very old. This book is interesting. So you can see that we are using this before nouns. That's why you can say that it is used as demonstrative adjective. Suppose I ask you that change this demonstrative adjective into demonstrative pronoun. Then you can't use it just before a noun. Okay. So how will you frame the sentence? You will say, this is very old house. Okay. So you will not say this house is very old. You will say this is very old house. Okay. You will say this. So here you are using this independently. You are not using it just before a noun. So this is very old house. This is very old house. But if you use it as demonstrative adjective, then you will say this house is very old. In the same way, in second sentence here, this book is interesting. So you will say this is interesting book when you are using this as demonstrative pronoun. So this is interesting book. But if you use it as demonstrative adjective, you will say this book is interesting. You got the difference? Okay. Before noun, adjective. If it is not used before noun, then it is demonstrative pronoun, but it is singular pronoun. Now let's see the uses of it, how to use it, when to use it. So first, a small introduction. It is the third person singular personal pronoun. Third person, if you have read about persons, so he, she and it, these are the pronouns, but they are the third persons. Okay. So it is a third person pronoun, but it is singular. Obviously we use it with singular pronouns. Okay. Singular things like it is my pen. So one pen. Okay. In this way. So it is often used to refer to animals or non-living things. For example, it is my pet, non-living things, it is my book, like that. So in this way, remember that we use it before the non-living things. This is a very simple introduction, and it is third person singular pronoun. Now let's see how can you use it. So it can be used as subject or object pronoun. Pronoun which is used in place of noun. Everybody knows about it. So as a subject or object. So you are replacing the noun and you are using it. How? Let's see the examples. So it can replace a subject or object that has already been referred to in a sentence. So you will replace a subject or object which has already been referred with this it. Let's see the examples. I bought a new car. Here I have given the reference of this noun. Okay. I have bought a new car. This is non-living thing. What did I tell you? That it is used for the nouns or pronouns which have already been referred to. Okay. So it is a noun and we are replacing it with it. And here this is used as object. So we are replacing it with it. So I bought a new car. It is very comfortable. Okay. So we are replacing car with it. You got it? So with the non-living things, or we are replacing this object with it. Okay. Now I love my pet. It takes care of us. So here now again you are replacing this noun with it. So in place of pet you are using it. In place of car you are using it. Okay. So this is the way that you will just replace subject or object which has been referred to earlier with it. He is wearing his father's watch. It's quite expensive. Okay, so here you are replacing this watch with it. Okay, so you are talking about watch when you say it. You got my point? So these all are non-living things or animals, birds, etc. And it is used for singular thing. Now another use, it can be used to mention about weather, time, distance, etc. So it can be used as a dummy subject when we are talking about the weather, time and distances. So you cannot use this in these sentences. So we cannot use this, remember. You will use it always when you are talking about weather, time or distance. Let's see the examples. It is very cold today. So you will not say this is very cold today. You will say it is very cold today. So it is quite clear rule in grammar, English grammar, that we use it to mention the weather. Okay, or the time also you can say it is 6 o'clock. So you will not say this is 6 o'clock. Okay, so if you use this, that will be incorrect. So it is 6 o'clock. It is raining heavily. You will not say this is raining heavily. If you say this, then you are saying it wrong. Now another use, as I have already mentioned, that it is used as dummy subject. What is dummy subject? Like there is no particular subject. When you don't identify any particular subject in any sentence, in that case you will use it. For example, it is important to be on time for the meeting. So here we don't see any particular subject, so we'll start the sentence with it. So it is performing the role of a dummy subject. Another example, it's urgent for all the members to attend the meeting. So there is no particular subject here, so we are using it as a subject, as a dummy subject you can say, and you will start your sentence with it. So it is urgent for all the members to attend the meeting. Okay, now another example, it is necessary step to be taken. Again, we don't have any particular subject, so we are using it as a dummy subject. So it is necessary step to be taken. Now one more situation where we can use it, that is cleft sentences. What are they? You will understand with examples. It can also be used in cleft sentences. What are cleft sentences? You make these types of sentences when you want to emphasize a certain piece of information. When you want to give a stress or you want to emphasize a certain piece of information, in that case you will use it. I will give you one example. It is manager who has done this. So here you want to emphasize, that's why you are using it. It is manager who has done this. So nobody else has done it. Who has done it? Manager. So in these types of sentences, like cleft sentences, we use it to emphasize something. I hope you have understood the uses of this and it. So thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe it. If you have liked this video, then press the like and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to participate in the quizzes which I keep on posting in the community posts. Thank you.